Get ready to witness a rising manufacturing powerhouse, Atmanirbhar Bharat. Manufacturing is expected to drive the overall economic growth in Amrit Kaal. India's manufacturing share in GVA is targeted to grow from around 15% to 20% by 2030, when GDP could be $7 trillion. India has a large consumer base and is the fastest growing consumer market. This provides sufficient scale to support local manufacturing. The shift away from China has accelerated post-COVID pandemic. China's share in US goods imports has declined from 21% in 2018 to 13% in 2023. Manufacturing a product in India is on an average 15% cheaper relative to US and should lead to increasing exports over time. India is likely to become the largest pool of labor supply with lowest labor cost globally. It's time to step into the Amrit Kaal with HDFC Manufacturing Fund. Let us look at the investing strategy for HDFC Manufacturing Fund. Goal of the portfolio will be invested in stocks that represent the diverse sectors of manufacturing. Stock selection will be based on bottom-up research ideas which are expected to have a long runway for growth. The portfolio will be reasonably diversified. It will be flexible across market capitalization. Here's why you should invest in India's manufacturing and Amrit Kaal story. It offers exposure to multiple themes and it's a combined play on growing consumption, investments and exports, changing geopolitical dynamics. That is China plus one, emergence of India as a manufacturing powerhouse. NFO period 26th April to 10th May 2024. Contact your MFD or RIA today. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.